When I came here in 1994, I was in so much pain. It was unbelievable. I couldn't walk. I couldn't sleep. Every time I tried to lift up my head, I would have just knots in my shoulders and pain in my back and my hips, and I would cry almost every day. It was unbelievable. We changed mattresses. We didn't know what was wrong. I went to a regular doctor, and he suggested having spine surgery, although the x-rays did not show, the ones that he took, any physical abnormalities. When we moved to Colorado, we just happened to be at a Walmart, at a Sam's Club, and in that Sam's Club, Dr. Nikitow was giving a screening. My mother, who lives with us, got on with Dr. Nikitow, and she didn't have any problems, and she was in her 70s at that time. I get up there, and he said my spine was twisted, my neck was out, and he said that if he didn't get me out of pain in 30 days, that he wouldn't charge me a dime. I had nothing to lose, so I started my treatment with him, and sure enough, within 30 days, I was able to sleep. I could walk without pain because my hips did not hurt anymore, and I continued my treatment with Dr. Nikitow until such time that we left to go back to Austin, Texas. In Austin, I couldn't find a doctor that gave wellness care at the level that Dr. Nikitow did. I sort of maintained myself, but I wasn't in a wellness mode. And we moved back in 2007 and immediately came back to Dr. Nikitow and restarted treatment and got myself back in alignment, and I feel great today. I come on a regular basis, and I can't tell you enough how important chiropractic is to me and my family. And my husband's coming now, and he's a great skeptic of anything like this. And fear, there's a lot of fear out there. There's nothing to be afraid of, and I don't have to go to a regular doctor now for pain medicine. I feel great. I'm just so transcended by the experience that I have here. Dr. Nikitow knows me by name, so he's the other man in my life, quite literally. So he knows the pain that I've been through, not being able to sleep. I couldn't sleep on my back. I couldn't sleep on my side. I couldn't use a pillow. I had to sleep on my stomach, and it was so hard to turn my neck. I didn't know about massage tables at that time, but if I had that, I would have been sleeping on a massage table face down. That was how bad my neck pain was. I was told I'd be in a wheelchair because I couldn't walk. I just literally couldn't walk. I couldn't read a book. Unbelievable. I would hold it like this, and I would just literally cry because of the pain in my shoulders and the pain going down my back and my neck. And because I didn't have chiropractic care when I was younger, I have a lot of disc worn down. He's maintained that to where I feel perfectly normal most of the time. So I can't say enough about Dr. Nikitow. Right. With Dr. Nikitow, in relation to the other doctors that I've been to, the treatment wasn't ongoing. They would just treat the symptoms at the time. And it wasn't an overall body experience about eating right, and nutrients, and the exercise that you get, and the physical therapy. It was just basically an in and out routine type of thing. With Dr. Nikitow, he knows you inside and out. He remembers the stuff, and he really cares about what he does. And he's into total body wellness. And in this day and time, I mean, he was doing this before it was the it thing to do. So we're very impressed. We're very happy to be here. Did, and he's a teaching chiropractor, not just a chiropractor that works on accidents. He actually trains other chiropractors. He's won Chiropractor of the Year twice that I can remember, and I'll tell you, he's worth it. He's just absolutely the greatest chiropractor I've ever been to. We've never had care like we've had here.